Hi, this is Fraser from FF Art Studio. Welcome back friends to my channel. Let's learn to create a 3D logo from the black and white image of the logo. So first we'll work in Photoshop to export the path of the logo. So let's get started. We'll select the logo using color range from the select menu. Turn the fullness and range to 100 and change the selection to shadow. This will select only the black portion. Now we may create a layer mask before coming to the main part. We now need to convert this selection to a work path in order to make it a custom brush. Now with the region selected, go to the Workspace menu and scroll down to turn on the Paths menu. Now with the Paths menu selected, click on the 3 lines and select Make Work Path. Let the rest be as default. This will convert the selection into a work path. Now we'll export this path to use it in Maya. For that, go to the Edit menu, scroll down to Export and click on the Path to Illustrator option. Let the path be set as work path and hit OK. This will export a .ai file which can be used in Maya. Let's hop into Maya now and import the .ai path file we just exported from Photoshop. As you can see, each of these shapes have been converted to curves in Maya. Let's select all the curves and group them first. Now let's hit Center Pivot and place it in the center. And friend, if you are still watching, it means you like the video, so don't hesitate to like it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. It's now time to create the 3D mesh from these curves. For that, we'll go to the Surfaces menu and click on the bevelplus option from there. You may follow my settings or tweak as required. Yeah, this looks good. Let's now do the same for each shape. For that, you can simply hit G on the keyboard to repeat the command. As you can see, this part has to be cut out from the hand mesh. For that, first we'll make this shape thicker, and then use the Boolean function A-B. This will cut out this shape from the hand mesh, creating the desired shape. Let's do a little bit of tweaking to refine it. We'll use the same Boolean function for this shape as well to create a cavity. With this, the 3D model of the logo is almost ready. I'll tweak the shape a little bit before texturing it. As you can see, I have separated the drop mesh from the leaf mesh. This will make the texturing process easier. Now the 3D model of the logo is done. I'll use a circular disc to create a background mesh for the logo. It's now time for texturing it. We'll apply this logo as texture on a plane in Maya, as a sample for picking the colors. I'll apply separate shaders to each mesh, and pick their respective colors from the sample alongside. We may increase the ambient color a bit to make it brighter in the viewport. Now, as for the leaf mesh, we'll apply the logo as texture to it. Let's UV unwrap it. And adjust the UVs to place them in the texture space. Friends, I would like to mention here that I'm doing the texturing this way just to show you as a quick fix for adjusting the texture in Maya. But this is not the conventional way of doing the texturing. You should first unwrap the UVs properly and create the texture in either Photoshop or any other texturing software of your preference. And if you want to learn UV unwrapping properly, you may click the I button above to watch the video. Else, comment below and we'll make a special video on UV unwrapping. Cool. This looks good. So we've learned to create a 3D logo from a 2D image using Photoshop and Maya very easily in no time. In the next part, we'll learn to present it with mesh lighting and rendering in Arnold. Thanks, friend, for staying till the end. Goodbye. And stay safe.